Hello one. New Year's Day and another trusty spot for other season shrooms. Let's check out what we find at New Year's. So 31st of December, got my handy dandy knife, tiny bag, but I'm not sure if I will gather some. Anyway, I see something on the way here, and as well, just as I stopped, right away come out these guys, and this one is and next to them there's another one, and this was called, and in here how cool is that? And this one look like oyster, I believe. Maybe I have to check. And three next to, I see this guy. Those also growing at some sticks behind my garage. Anyway, okay, don't want to focus. Anyway, and a few meters away, growing these ones. Quite already getting quite nice size. There's a smaller one, bigger one, and as well over there. I don't know if you can see with this lighting. Okay, so that's look like also a good spot for winter mushrooms, and I just want to move on the other side of the road. There I see some logs covered with the mushrooms, so I just go there and check it out. Okay, I was thinking right. Look, and those are, I believe, are oysters shroom. There's the old one, big one. How cool is that? How many of them on one log? That's looking cool. So, smaller, bigger, however you want. How nice. You can clearly see they are fresh, springy. Perfect. So this will make few dinners, that's for sure. Anyway, it's all the way. There's another big group, and there's some tiny ones, jellos. Anyway, let's go from the other side. There's some other ones, I don't know. In here as well. Even under. How nice, clan. And there is at older stage. They are just finished. Anyway, there's some, and there's another group. How cool is that? Okay, so I have a few more spots to check out, and yeah, that is cool. Only too bad it's too close for the road, but anyway. Okay, and in here we have another ones, but they're still small. I believe this is... Okay, let's go further. There's some older one. I didn't expect so many, but that's cool. Okay, let's just go further. Okay, got another small group of... Anyway, they're still young. Let's move further. Oh, there is some more behind, but this is very old, already finished, so let's go to look further. Okay, there's another old log, and there's some shrooms. Yeah, this one I think is... And there's more of them. How cool. Nice. Okay, got another group. Older one. There's a little bit younger. How nice is that? There's some others. Again. And some more. And as well in here, this guy. Same as there. Oh. And just in here. And for what to go to the shop for buying them. And this, no, it's already died. I thought it was quite nice. There's a lot. Different ones. Same in here. Nice one over there. Again, whole pile of logs laying and just mushroom growing on it. How nice. And there's something bright over there, yellow, the same as I showed at the beginning, just slightly bigger. Nice. And yeah, let's go this way. I can see some fallen trees, so yeah, and I see some shroomies on it. Let's just check it out. If I can go in. There we have it. How nice is that? I believe only those white section is edible. But yeah, that's cool. There's a little bit younger one covered with the leaves. Cool. I see something on that log over there, so let's just look look closer. What do we have? Okay. Yeah, there's definitely some mushrooms. Oh, there is one. No, I think it was the same like we see on those laying logs, just slightly younger and thicker, or maybe because they grow on different type of tree. And there's some tiny ones as well. Cool looking, nice color. Cool. Again, got something here. There's some older ones, there's younger ones, and this, no, yeah, I already showed that. Anyway, I believe it's supposed to be more of them on one of this log in here. I think so. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, but they are all old ones because I actually see them already at fall in here. But then I didn't know them, and there's a lot of old ones, all these black spots, and I'm not sure what those were right now, but yeah, anyway. Cool, let's move further because it's getting dark, and yeah, I'm slowly heading out, and those woods at this time look totally different than with the leaves and all that stuff. Anyway, that was the spot where I always gather in red hats. So I bring you all in if I found something nice. Okay, again, same spot, and just some scooter standing here. Before it was laying in the bushes, and yeah, now someone just dig it out. Strange. Anyway, okay, I see more of these guys. Oh, they're quite fresh, pretty ones. Oh, something just break them down. Anyway, yeah, as you can see, I'm at the same spot where I go in, so I just take way around through the woods. And as I said, it's getting a little bit dark, so it's hard to see them. Anyway, I'm just heading out, and yeah, that will be it for this video, I believe. Hope you all enjoyed. And this time I found huge amount of these oyster mushrooms, and yeah, that was fun, that was great. And yeah, see you at the next one. Take care, everyone.